Hey everyone, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In this video, I'll show you how to connect your Exness account to MetaTrader 5, step by step, updated for 2025. Let's get started. Step 1. First, log into your Exness account on the official website or mobile app. Step 2. Go to your dashboard and find the MetaTrader 5, MT5, real or demo account you want to connect. Step 3. Click on the account to view the login credentials, including your MT5 login ID, server name, and password. If you forgot your password, you can reset it here. Step 4. Now, open the MetaTrader 5 app on your PC or mobile device. Step 5. Tap on Login to Existing Account. In the search bar, type and select your Exness MT5 server. For example, Exness Real 5 or Exness Demo. Step 6. Enter your MT5 login ID and trading password, then hit Login. Step 7. Your Exness account is now connected to MetaTrader 5. You can now start trading live or demo based on your account type. Pro tip: always double-check your server selection. If you choose the wrong one, you won't be able to log in. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you out, give it a like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more step-by-step guides.